I'm going to be teaching you one of the most important things when creating your video for social media consumption, which is you need to know how to put an invisible watermark on your video so that it knows your content. And I'm going to show you how to do this invisible watermark in Capcut PC. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the videos that we drop every week. Import the video you want to put the watermark on into your Capcut PC. As soon as you have that done, drag the video onto your timeline. Go to the top left of your Capcut PC screen and click on the text icon. Click on the plus sign on default text and you're going to see the text box on top of your video on the timeline. And when you go to your player preview box, you're going to see default text. Now go to the right of your player preview box where you're going to see the text writing box. Click on it and write the text of your channel or your social media account that you want to put on the video. Let me reduce it. That's fine. Now go under the text writing box and look for shadow. Select shadow. I'm going to leave it as black and reduce the opacity to 70. Once you have that done, now go and drag your text box so that it's going to show throughout your video. Right click on the text box. Click on create compound clip and you're going to see a bigger box on the timeline. With it selected, go to the top right of your Capcut PC screen and click on video after text. Under basic, go and look for blend. If it's not already selected, click on the box to select it. Next to the blend mode, you are going to see default. Click on it. Pick overlay. And you're going to see that your text is now transparent or invisible. Play to check it out.